This imagine of a data set is the one you can see on the screen. How can you calculate the total points, average, grade, and positions? Given that our grading system is here, such that A is 10, B is 8 points, C 6, D 4, and E 2. What can you do in order to analyze this data? Throughout this video, I'll be taking you through the whole process. Well, to get the total points, we need to apply if function such that if this cell, that is cell B4, contains which value? It contains value A. Computer will recognize this one as 10. Otherwise, if the same cell, the B4, contains value B, capital B, then computer will recognize this one as 8 points. Otherwise, if what is in this cell again is equivalent to C, this will be recognized as 6. Otherwise, if what is in the same cell B4 is equivalent to D, this will be recognized as 4. Otherwise, if it is what is in B4 is equals to E, this will be recognized as 2 points. Otherwise, anything else will be recognized as 0. So, for example, what will be the output here? 10, because it is an A. But now we want to perform to add all of them. What is in this is B4 plus C4 plus D4, E4, F4, G4, and H4. So I'm going to modify this formula. We're going to modify the formula, and therefore I'll just copy this function and modify it. So copy. Now plus. Again, now we want to add the content of C4. So where is our addition sign? We are going to change here, make it C. Again, in this point, C. To this point, C. Point C. Point C. Remember, we are supposed to add contents in C4, D4, E4, F4, and G4 and H4. So we're going again to continue, plus again paste the same formula. So we're going to change. This is now D4. Again, this is D4. This is D4. D4. And D4, 4. Okay, D4 represents what? This is maths for Swahili. Now for science, again plus for science. Science is in E4. We have another science in E4. E4. Oh, sorry. This is E4. 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 Yes, again. Again, now for which subject is this? Science, computer, physics. Now we're going to computer. Computer is in. After E, we have F. 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 Again, plus. For computer, we have physics. And physics control. Okay, physics can be represented by G, G4, 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 G4. Then plus chemistry, H4. Our chemistry is in here. H4, 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 4. Are you done with everything here? After chemistry, I think you don't have anything else. That is our last one. If you press enter, you will find that the first student, this is Kenyatta, has got 48 points. You can copy this formula downward to the others, and they shall be having these points as you can see here. So this is the formula, and I'll write it as the first comment. If you want to see it, all of it, get it from the video's first comment. Done with the most difficult task. Now let us find the average. How many subjects do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it will be equals to 48 divided by 7, and you will get 6 points. Copy it to the last point here. Grade. To get the grades in terms of A, B, C, D, remember this is our grading system. Therefore, if our average is equivalent to, zoom in. If our is equals, it is greater than or equal to, let us talk of 10. This can be A. If again our same total, if our average G4 is greater than or equal to which point? 8. This can be termed as B. If again our J4 is greater than or equal to 6, this can be termed as C. If our J4 is greater than or equal to 4, this can be termed as D. If our J4 is greater than or equal to 2, so this can be termed as E. Otherwise, this is invalid grade in case it doesn't match any of them. Close the bracket with the equal number of ifs and press enter. So it means this student has got C as average, and actually this one has got a D. Why is it a D? Exactly, who is this? Nancy, she has got a lot of this, that's why I got a grade D after. So position, we will rank them according to the average. Therefore, the easiest way of using that function, we will select the cells which we are going to use for ranking purposes and give them a specific name. Here the name box, you can call them X and press enter. You see? So computer will recognize X as cell J, J2, is it J2? J4 up to J9. So therefore it is equals to rank, to bracket, first students compared to X. Remember X refers to all of them. And you'll find that this is number 1. And the others, we have 2 number 1s actually here. So what remains is just to sort these people according to position. Custom sort by position, smallest to largest. And now you'll be able to see that the first person is Kenyatta, followed by Chireri, Daniel is third one, William, Martha 8, Nancy. Now you may want to summarize this data using a chart. That is a chart containing the names and maybe the average marks for all the students. Therefore, to do so, we are going to select the 2 columns, that is the name column and the average column. Then after this, we go direct to insert a column. You can choose either to choose a column or even a pie chart or even this one here. Maybe just choose 2D line, and this is it. I think this is not suitable. Let me undo it and rather use insert a 2D bar, and our 2D bar will be formed. And as you can see here, we have the arm range in terms of we can add other functionalities such as axis titles. So this one will be edit text and label it as average points, and this one will refer to what? Right click and edit text, and this text is student. That's it. After that, you can apply some automatic formatting features like the one you can see here. Choose a chart like this one here, and in case this chart is interfering with your work, you can move the chart to another worksheet, a new worksheet, and label it as chart 1 is okay. So you'll find that we are having analysis, and we have the chart 1 summarizing the student's performance. Otherwise, I am done with this video. If this is your first time, remember to subscribe so that you may be notified of future updates. Like and even share to reach wider audience and make sure that they are educated. Goodbye.